Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do this makeup look. This one is a Deepika Padukone inspired makeup look. One of my subscribers requested me to do this look. Chanchal DM'd me on my Instagram to do this look. And when I saw it for the first time, I really liked the look. This look is very neutral yet glam. I also did a poll on my YouTube community and you guys seemed to love this look. So here it is. So if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So they provided me with a beauty oil and I'm going to start with the beauty oil first. This one is the Rose Gold Elixir and the packaging looks so pretty. So this one is a lightweight moisturizer and it's got anti-aging properties as well. So I'm just going to take a drop of it, just apply it all over my face. It actually absorbed really fast. Oh my gosh, it gives a beautiful glow to the skin. This one is the O2O Hydrating Face. I always prime my face with Maybelline Master Prime, but today I'm going to try something different. So this is the Hydrating Face Primer and it's the pore minimizing one. And I forgot my mirror. Okay, so I'm back. So it claims that it reduces the appearance of fine lines and makes the pores look invisible. The texture is very smooth. It actually claims to reduce the appearance of fine lines and make your pores invisible. So we're going to see that. Check it out. It definitely made my skin look smoother and I actually like it. They sent me this stick foundation. Just look at the packaging. So pretty. This is in the shade 04 Velvet Matte Foundation Stick and I'm gonna see if this one is my shade. This is the first time I'm gonna use a stick foundation. I always use liquid foundations. I love liquid foundations. We will see how this goes. The foundation blends really fast. Is this my shade though? So this side of the face is with foundation, this is without foundation. This is actually my shade, but when I look into the camera, I think this is a shade lighter. I don't know. I'll just apply the other half and I'll be back. The foundation actually is very smooth. It blended really well and it looks beautiful on my skin. You all know how much I love a natural look. This exactly looks natural. It looks like my skin but better. So I absolutely love it. I actually love this foundation and I'm going to use this more often. So for concealer, they sent me this entire palette. So I'm going to use this today. Should I blend with my fingers or should I use a brush? Which shade though? I think this one. So I'm going to pick up this shade and apply it under my eyes. Texture feels really smooth. This is the part where I'm really scared. Oh, this is too white for me. No. Oh my gosh, it blended really well. I think this is my shade, is it? I'm not sure. Now I'm going to try this shade. I'm going to mix it with another shade since I'm not finding my right shade. The texture is very smooth and wow, it really blends well. Wow, it brightened my under eye area as well. This one is my right shade. This concealer though, it doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel tacky, it feels very comfortable on the skin. I'm going to set it now with the powder and this one is the O2O Loose Powder. Opening this is a chop. You know what chop is? Oops! Shake it a little bit. I'm going to list the products in the description box below, so make sure you check it. Whew. Should I apply it with a sponge? No, I should use my brush. I should use my beauty blender. So I'm going to bake my under eye area. I'm actually not going to bake it. I'm going to just apply the powder. Is it like a white one? It's a fine milled powder. It feels very smooth. I'm not really used to such bright under eye area though, but it actually really brightened my under eye area. So I'm going to contour using this palette. I'm going to take this shade and contour my face. I actually love it. See, this is the first time I'm using a cream contour. My skin is oily. I really don't use cream products on my face, especially the pan products. This is the first time I'm using any of these and I really like it. I'm just gonna extend it a little bit under my eyes as well because I feel that it's really bright in there. I am amazed how beautifully it blends. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my temples as well and my jawline. I'm so happy with my base. I'm gonna apply some powder and do my eyes because I'm gonna use a new eyeshadow palette and I'm not sure if there will be any fallout. So I applied some of my Bharat and Doris loose powder because I think this is a little bit too light on my skin. I really don't like the white or very bright under eye area. So I'm gonna use the Bharat and Doris loose powder under my eyes so that even if there's any fallout, it's gonna catch it. The eyeshadow palette I'm gonna use is this one. This is the Ocean Mystery palette. I don't know if you can see the name of it. Yeah, there you go. This one is the Ocean Mystery palette and it's got really beautiful colors in it. Look how beautiful the shades are. So the first shade I'm gonna use for my crease is this one. And this eyeshadow palette also has a huge mirror. I'm gonna apply this on my crease and just blend it really well. Okay, zero fallout and it blends beautifully. The pigment is amazing. I just dabbed my brush in it just like that. And this is the pigment that you get. Amazing. I'm super impressed with the eyeshadow palette. Okay, the next shade I'm gonna use is this one. Oh my gosh, this is super pretty. Okay, I'm gonna deepen the crease area a little bit and I'm gonna use this shade. And I'm gonna apply it on my outer corners as well. I'm gonna use the same shades on my lower lash line as well. So I'm gonna take this shade first and then mix a little bit of this and this. And I'm really lazy, so I'm gonna use the same brush. So yeah, that's it for the eyes. It's pretty simple. Though I really want to dig into the palette because there are so many pretty colors in here. So now I'm going to dust off the excess powder. I'm going to apply this shade on my brow bone area. হ্যাঁ hello. এখনো shoot করছি আমি. And I'm going to extend it outside the outer corner area because that's how she has her highlighter going on. And the inner corners of my eyes as well. So I didn't receive any brow products, so I'm going to use this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. So now I'm going to apply false lashes and I'm going to be right back. Okay, hold on. Before I apply false lashes, I'm going to apply this mascara. This one's called Big Fatty Mascara. I love the name. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. I love this wand though. This one is a volumizing wand. The mascara is really pretty. It actually fanned out my lashes. I like this mascara because it looks very natural and it doesn't clump. I'm going to apply a second coat and I'm going to check if it clumps or not. This is with the second coat of mascara. I'm not sure if I like it. It just transferred on my under eye area. I really don't like this. And I'm going to go back to my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So I'm going to fix this one. I'm going to apply my false lashes and I'm going to be right back. Okay, I'm back after applying false lashes. These are the Benefit Real False Lashes, the Pin Up Lash one. So they also sent me this waterproof fine eye pen and I'm gonna apply it on my lash lines so that the lash glue doesn't show. I like the pen. It feels very sturdy. I'm gonna finish this and talk. Actually like the pen. This feels really sturdy. I felt really comfortable holding it. Okay, I didn't realize when my battery died, but all I did was I used this shade on my lash line so that it gives a little bit of a smudged look. I'm going to use the blush right now. I absolutely love the packaging. Again, this one is a liquid blush. This is the first time I'm going to be using a liquid blush. This one is called O2O liquid blush in the shade number 04. This one's got a very cute little pump. The color really seems very pretty. Again, I'm scared. Just a little bit. Oh my gosh, I hope it really blends. Initially when you blend it, it looks really intense, but then it looks pretty natural. I actually love the blush. The blush looks very natural. So for the highlighter, I'm going to use this enhancer drop. This is in the shade Sunlight. I'm actually going to take some on my beauty blender and just apply it. This one is an intense highlighter. You see how intense the highlight is. I'm going to apply it on all the high points of my face. This highlighter is actually perfect for those of you who like intense highlight. This one is actually too intense for me, but it looks really good. In case you're not comfortable with the liquid highlighter, you can use this shade as a highlighter. This shade as a highlighter looks really pretty. Okay, for a lip liner, I'm going to use this one. This is from Studio West and the shade is Misty Mauve. And I'm going to fill my lips with this one. Okay, I'm going to use the L'Oreal. Use this lip shade. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the shade Nude Allude. I absolutely love this look. I love the products that I used today. And amongst those products, my favorite were definitely, this one was one of my favorites. I also loved the primer and the beauty oil. Absolutely loved the eyeshadow palette. And I love the foundation as well. I'm not a fan of the mascara though. So this is my finished makeup look and I hope you liked it, and if you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.